Hi, how are you?
Where are you from?
Fine, I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
Can I touch your hair?
Yeah, touch, bro.
Oh,
You want
yeah.
to?
Nice.
How is it?
Yeah, fine. Good.
Yeah, of Assam. This one I saw it in the airport, guys. In the Guwahati airport, I saw this one. They say this is mask of Assam. Mask. What's your name?
Nihar Jyoti Kalita.
Huh?
Nihar Jyoti.
Nihar.
Nihar.
I'm with Nihar, guys. Nihar is helping me because I got lost somewhere there, guys. So he's taking me to Fancy Bazaar. Yeah, thank you, Nihar. You're from which place?
Huh?
You're from which area here?
I'm from Rangia.
Rengia.
Rangia.
Okay, Rengia. Yeah.
But I live in Guwahati.
You live in Guwahati? Okay. Guwahati is so busy city. What is famous in Fancy Bazaar? What is famous there?
Famous Fancy Bazaar.
Everything you find there.
Everything is famous.
Okay. Fancy Bazaar. This guy is very friendly, guys. It's very friendly. Yeah, he just brought me to the market, guys. This is the Fancy Bazaar.
This is Fancy Bazaar.
Yeah, and he's taking me to the main zone, main point, so that I can easily explore. And it's my first time coming here, guys. It's my
First
first
time?
time. Yes, it's my first time. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, brother. How are you?
brother, how are you,
Fine. Good. How do you call this one? This rickshaw? This one. How you call it? This one. How you call it? That rickshaw.
Rickshaw.
You call it rickshaw?
Rickshaw.
Okay. Rickshaw, guys. Something more you find it out here. Rickshaw and auto also.
Auto, rickshaw.
Auto and rickshaw, yeah. So we are inside Fancy Bazaar, guys. Oh yeah. This is the main zone. Rickshaw. This side, huh? Okay, I'll take selfie with you. Okay? Have a selfie, okay? Okay, guys, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, carry on. Yeah. So I met this guy, guys. He took me from Platinum Bazaar to Fancy Bazaar. You want to see my channel? Okay. Yeah. So that guy, I just found him on the road, guys, from the Platinum Bazaar market, and I was lost, guys. I was really lost. So he asked me, where are you going? So he helped me. He brought me to the Fancy Bazaar, guys. This is the main market here, and I don't know this market, and I'm alone here. There is no one to help me, so I was lost, guys. So he brought me here. Thank you so much, brother. So let's just have a look and explore this market, guys. It look little bit crowded, just like PB, guys, like PB, Shillong, PB market used to have this look. But yeah, let's just explore. Let's see the prices of things and what they also have out here. Since it's my first time here and first expression. So like, how much is that jacket?
1650.
16?
1650.
1600.
Yes.
Okay, guys, this is 1650, guys. Yeah, this is the first thing I ask about here, guys. Yeah, here I think they are selling everything is new. Whatever you are seeing here is new, and the sale is there 500. Yeah. This is not thrift market. This is not second-hand market, guys. This is just new things. Let's just have a look. See, it used to be so much of traffic. It used to be so much of crowd, guys. Oh, these guys, they have nice hoodies. Hello, what is the price for that one? That one, price? Huh? First one.
First one, 1050.
1050.
50.
1050. And what about the hoodie price?
900.
900. Okay. I think here you have to it's like bargaining. You have to discount. Why you are shouting? You're making so much noise. Don't shout. You're making so much noise. Oh, the jeans also. I don't know if I can get something here. What is the price for this one? H&M?
250.
250. Okay. Last price? Last price.
Sale price 250.
Oh, what is the biggest size is there?
Only same size.
Same size only? Okay. Once give the black one. Black one.
Hey.
বাজারের কথাই এটো এই ক্যামেরা করিস না ওরে
আমরা দিতে আমার কথা বললে তো আমি কি করব
No bigger than this. No. This one, this type only.
This is same size.
Okay. That one is affordable, guys. The price is okay, but the size, I can't find my size, guys. Like, you know, people are so short here, and mostly you will find most of their clothes, guys. The dress used to be short. Brother. What is the price for jackets? 500. What about the pants? No pants? I need
Single.
okay. 100. What is the prices for shirt? Price? White one? 350 only. Okay, and this one, white one also? 350, huh? Okay. $350, guys. This is the price. It's fine. But let's move. Let's move more till the end. That is baggy pan. So here is fixed price 500 from here. Hi, how are you?
Where are you from?
Fine, I'm from Africa, South Sudan.
Can I touch your hair?
Yeah, touch, friend.
Oh,
You want to?
Nice.
How is it?
Yeah, fine. Good.
Yeah, Chris Gale, okay? Everywhere I go, people, they will be shocked and curious to see my hair. Hello, sir. Hi, sir. How are you?
Oh, fine.
Your
Welcome
name?
to India. Welcome
Yeah,
to
thank
India.
you. Thank you so much. Your name?
My name is Pradeep Jain.
Pradeep Jain.
From Rajasthan.
You're from Rajasthan?
Yes.
Wow.
And you from?
I'm from South Sudan, Africa.
Oh, Sudan. Very good.
Yeah.
Nice to see you.
I'm
Thank you.
Praveen Jain from Guwahati.
Guwahati, you're local only?
Yeah, we are local.
So what is the starting prices?
We are local because Modi said local to vocal.
Wow, what does that means?
It means local product, local man, local selling.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you want to drink water?
No, I'm okay. Thank you.
Anything you want to purchase?
When did you came to India?
I was in Shillong with my friends.
Okay,
So
for
today I'm having night train, so I am like to explore just to come around.
Very good, very good.
Okay. Thank you. I'm just exploring.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best.
More Subeksha Janalu.
Let's just explore, guys. If in case we find something nice, then we can go for it. It seems like we are almost over. Yes. How are you? Fine. Good. Like this is big market, and I really wish like they can do one thing. You know, in some places they have to keep fixed price now to avoid. But you know, since it is like bazaar, they say bazaar, right? So it's like everyone want to make more money, so they won't fix the price. Only people who don't like shouting, then they will fix price. But here you have to be smart. Yeah, you have to be smart. You have to bargain, because for sure the price they will tell you it is not the real price. It is not the real price. So you have to be smart and to bargain. Yeah, you have to be smart. Hi. Hello, hi. How are you? Fine. I'm from South Sudan, Africa. Channel, yeah, Gabs Gabi. Yes, Gabs Gabi YouTube channel. Starting price is
200,
250. Okay. I don't know how I look with red, guys. But anyway, I like this one. What is the last price?
250, sir, fixed.
Give last price, yeah. I'm new here in your place. 200, yeah. 200, please.
Sorry.
Okay? You don't want to give 200?
No, sir.
You can't leave 50 rupees for me. You don't want to leave 50 rupees. I'm from Africa, first time in your place. You are not the boss. You are not the boss of this. Who is the boss of this? You are the boss? You are the boss? So the boss can leave 250, nah? Phone pay is there? Okay, give. Yeah, 250 is what the price is. Not that bad, guys. Yeah, it's okay. What about the prices for the track pan? For this one, what is the prices? Huh? What is the price?
This one, 750.
750. Juice. You made from this water?
No water. Only fruit juice.
Only fruit juice only.
Orange, pineapple, pomegranate, watermelon.
Okay, orange juice. How much?
How much? 50 rupees, 60 rupees, 80 rupees.
80 rupees, 50 rupees. Any one.
Any one juice.
And mix 50 rupees mix.
50.
Mix.
1 cup.
1 cup 50 rupees mix. Yeah.
Any mix. Pineapple, Mosambik, pomegranate,
Oh, that is so healthy.
watermelon.
Watermelon, yeah, it's nice.
It's
good. It's good. So guys, I'm in Fancy Bazaar. This market is so nice, so crowded, and you will find so many of stuff. But what I came to know is that you have to be smart. You have to negotiate a lot, because most of the shop here, they are not keeping the prices. So you have to negotiate so that you will get to know. No salt. No salt. Sweet only. Yeah, only sweet. Yeah. Also here they love adding salt in any sweet things. This is something you have to know, not only in Assam or in like Northeast, also in most of the part of India, they love adding salt in the sweet, guys. Yeah. Sweet juice. Today we are going to try these Assam things. Oh, they have to do like that. Okay. This is full fruit, guys. Pure fruit, I mean. Yeah. Wow. This is the mixture of all the fruit, guys. So tasty. Yeah, it's tasty. It's tasty and sour at the same time because we added little of pineapple. Pineapple was there, so. So you see that side, that is the fancy bazaar. The good, you are from? You are from which place?
Six mandir, six temple.
Sikh temple. You are from Punjab?
Punjab. Yes, Sikh mandir.
Ah, this Sikh mandir.
Gurudwara.
You are from Assam only? You Assam, huh?
Assam.
Okay.
Yes.
How do you say this? The juice is nice in Assami. Which language you speak?
Chaurasia, Agas Chaurasia.
Agas?
Chaurasia.
Jodasia. Hindi or this?
Hindi bhatiya.
Hindi or Assami?
Hindi.
Hindi bol. Ah, Hindi. He speak Hindi. You speak Boro? No, only Hindi. Hindi, Assami, no? No. Thoda. Okay. How many years you are working here? You staying here how many years?
Yes, Sikh temple, guwahati, Sikh mandir.
How many years?
30
Assam. 30. Okay,
यहाँ का
good.
जन्म है
30 years.
31.
This you staying here how many years?
Yes.
30, huh? Okay. Business is good. This business good?
Good.
Acha business, huh? Okay. Good business. Very healthy. Very good. Everywhere I go, I am trying fruits. Very good. Okay guys, so I'm leaving the fancy bazaar market, guys. It was nice experience to see the vibe outside here, guys. So much traffic jam also here, guys. It used to happen, so it's hard, little bit hard to move here. Yeah. So this is like, yeah, this is masjid, guys. Masjid. One big masjid outside here. I think I have to walk from this side. Yeah. Excuse me. Yeah. See, people are stuck outside there because of traffic. A lot of traffic jam outside there. So guys, I'm in this electrical bicycle, guys. Is it called what is the name of this thing? Bicycle? Rickshaw. This rickshaw, huh? This is something common here, guys, in Assam, guys. Like they don't need to cycle, but it is kind of electrical bicycle. So it's easy way of transport. You can see it that side, guys. So I'm coming to catch my train. I have my train out here, guys. Yeah. So it's first experience. It's nice, and it's affordable. So I was from Fancy Bazaar to the railway station, Guwahati railway station. Yeah. Okay? You see yourself? Yeah, this is the rickshaw, guys. The cycle, electrical cycle. It's so common to see it here in Guwahati, Assam, guys. So they have to use electrical. In case it stops, they can also do the bicycle. This is bicycle, but electrical bicycle. So I'm all the way from Fancy Market to the Guwahati railway station. So I'm gonna say goodbye. We'll be leaving Guwahati. Thank you. Okay, bye. I'm in Guwahati railway station, and just I want to show you some their cultural things here. Yeah. I don't know about them, guys. You can tell me. You can tell me their names. You can tell me about the culture. Yeah. It's like. I think this is the traditional attires or culture of Guwahati, but I don't know which tribe is this, guys. You can tell me which tribe is this, because the only tribe I know here, the Assamese and the Baro. I want to know how many tribes are there in Assam. How many tribes, guys? And what are the famous tribe also? What are the famous tribe here in Assam? Mask of Assam. This is Mask of Assam. Mask of Assam. This one I saw it in the airport, guys. In the Guwahati airport, I saw this one. They say this is Mask of Assam. Mask. Tell me more about that. This one. War heroes. Let me show you the war heroes. War heroes of Assam. The war heroes of Assam. Those are the heroes of Assam. So here, heroes of Assam, guys. Those people who fought for Assam, the heroes of Assam. So anyway, I'm going to catch my train, guys. So see you. Bye.